Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to remove image background in Windows 11 Paint app. For this, first click on this one start button, then type Paint, then click on this one search result Paint app, then click on this one file option, click on open, select your image you want to remove background. Here you will see remove background button. Click on this one. This will automatically remove the background from your photos. In case it does not work or it is not perfect according to your needs, press Ctrl and use mouse wheel to zoom the image you want to remove background, and then use this one eraser tool. Click on this one. This will be selected, and then you can remove background according to your needs. Once background is removed, click on this one file menu again, select save as option, and here you will find PNG, JPG, BMP, ZIP, and other formats are also supported. Select one format you need, then select the location on your PC, name the file, and then click on this one save button. This will save your image without background on your PC. Like this, you can see in my PC I have removed background from this one image. Like this you can remove. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it, and if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.